Hello, everyone. Here is the question I asked on TikTok on the 16th of November. It has up to 30,000 views already. If you believe in evolution, can you explain abiogenesis? Timmy Guilds is one of many who have replied. He said, "Formation of organic molecules, simple inorganic compounds in the early Earth's atmosphere and oceans, formed basic organic molecules like amino acids and nucleotides. Polymerization. These simple monomers link together to form more complex polymers, such as proteins and nucleic acids like RNA. Self-replication. Some molecules, possibly RNA," I then replied. "Your claim says that simple inorganic compounds formed amino acids and nucleotides. However, the scientific method test requires observation. Your statement does not provide any replication, natural replication, falsifiable predictions, practical predictions, controlled experiment, successful demonstration of nucleotides." Timmy Guilds replied, "They simulated the atmosphere of early Earth, high in methane, ammonia, and water vapor and lacking oxygen, combined with an energy source like lightning or UV radiation to form simple organic molecules. It successfully produced amino acids, which supports the hypothesis." I then replied, "The issue is clear. Can you use the scientific method to explain abiogenesis or evolution, yes or no? You're only making unverified statements and advancing your narratives. I asked you to use the scientific method to provide an explanation of genesis and/or evolution. If not, your statement is just your opinion. That's pretty much worthless. Again, you are just making useless, unverified, unscientific statements. The scientific method is what you use for science. We're not concerned with your opinion. Everybody has opinions. Your claim, lipids formed membranes creating protocells. Your problems. Lipids do not spontaneously assemble around RNA. RNA breaks down in the presence of lipids. The cell membrane requires protein transport systems. Without them, metabolism is impossible. Now let's use the scientific method test. Was your claim observed? Your claim says, monomers link together to form proteins and RNA. Did you use the scientific method? No. Can they test direct evidence? No. Can you provide an experimentally demonstrated test that does not require human intervention? No. Does life require energy input? Yes. Does your test require a controlled environment? Yes. Timmy Guilds replied, "Well, science is science, brother. Believe it or don't. I don't care." I then replied, "Abiogenesis has never been observed. No lab has ever created life from non-life. No experiment has ever produced new body plans or new genetic information. Adaptation exists. Micro changes exist. But the grand narrative of molecule-to-man evolution remains unproven." Timmy Guilds replied, "Miller-Urey experiment." I then replied, "Wrong. Your claim says some molecules develop the ability to self-replicate. This is your most speculative claim of all. Was the scientific method used? No. Was it observed? Never. Reproduced in the lab? Never. Mechanism known? No. Probability calculated? Astronomically low. Nobody has ever observed abiogenesis or evolution. Your statements are not observations. They are hypotheses stacked on assumptions, presented as if they were demonstrated facts. None of the steps described has ever been reproduced in a laboratory or observed in nature. I have now refined the question to read, can abiogenesis and biological evolution be investigated using the scientific method? And if so, to what extent? So, that is how it is going on TikTok. Let me know how you think the debate is going. Please like, share, and leave a comment to learn more.